Hi guys, what's up? Let's talk about vacuum cleaners and floor care. Watch this video before you go and buy.
Cordless vacuum cleaners give you the range without the power leads hanging about everywhere. The new blade contains powerful, lightweight, direct technology. You've got cylinder cleaners. These are constant, powerful suction to clean carpets and hard floors and hard to reach areas. With the upright cleaners,
It's Henry and Hetty Hoover. Okay, there's a load of ranges. These ones here on the left, and then these ones are, you push around, quite heavy duty. These are by Vax, and then we've got the little portables drag behind you. Now this one here with the thin nozzle at the front and the container at the top, the motor and everything, that's the one I've been getting. These ones are very clear, see what you're doing inside. And here's a little breakdown of all the components inside, the filters and the motor and the little moving parts. And these Cyclone jets that they've kind of got the Dyson's design. Okay guys, the Vax has arrived. VAX Blade 2 Max. Cordless, and this comes with a pro kit, so you get all these little tools here.
Oh, there you go. Right, so you do get some things with it. So what you have to do is read that, which people don't tend to do, which I did.
Read the manual.
And then this comes out. And then you've got the manual, looks all compact and tight, doesn't it? And something you can hang it on the wall, can't you? You can hang them on the wall, or I think. I'll show you probably. And you hang them on the wall and you charge it and you put it somewhere where you can hang it. You can hang it. Caroline's got hers in the kitchen. I mean, she hasn't got one of these. She's got a Dyson.
Good handle. Where's that go?
Well, that's the thing that catches the dust, isn't it?
So that goes on there, does it?
So that must go. Well, what's this
Does
one?
that go on there?
This is the thing. Go on
Near
where?
your handle.
This here.
It's got a curved bit.
Oh. 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 I don't want to catch my jumper.
And there's an exhaust thing there.
Hold on, I've caught my jumper up now.
That's right, Lee.
At least you've got bathroom with it. Oh, it's so much
Got a little
lighter.
light on it.
So much lighter. And then you can have it faster. Look. Lighter. You can have it.
How did you turn the light off? Oh.